guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I am going to review the 2021 Hyundai Santro, and here is the key of this vehicle. This car comes with 1.1 liter of petrol engine and it produces 68.05 bhp of horsepower, 99.04 Newton meters of torque, and the displacement is of 1086 cc. The fuel tank capacity is of 35 liters and it gives 20.3 km per liters of mileage on highway, and in city it gives 14 to 16 km per liters of mileage. And also it comes with 4 basic variants: the Era, Magna, Sportz and Asta with 7 colors. This is Titan Grey. Now let's talk about of its front profile. In front you get 2 wipers with 2 washers. These are halogen lights, the turn signals, these are fog lamps, a very big grille, the Hyundai logo, and also on the border of this grille you get silver color treatment. Now let's move towards on its dimensions. The overall length is 3610 mm, the overall width is 1645 mm, overall height is 1560 mm, the wheelbase is of 2400 mm, and the curb weight is of 1010 kg. From its side, the car looks very compact and practical. This is a sub 4 meter car. These are basic door handles, the door guard, these are rain visors, the electrical adjustable ORVMs, the turn signals. Let's move towards on its tires. In front you get McPherson strut suspension, and in rear you get coupled torsion beam axle suspension. In front and rear you get tubeless radial tires. The tire size is of 165/70 R14, and also in rear 160/70 R14. In front you get disc and in rear you get drum brakes. Let's talk about of its rear profile. These are tail lamps, the turn signals, the reverse parking lights, the badging of Santro, the Hyundai logo, the 2 reflectors, and also the 2 reverse parking lights sensors. Here is the exhaust. By putting key in this point you can get access of boot. The boot space is of 235 liters. Here is the warning triangle, a jack, and also extra tire. The tire size of this tire is 155/80 R13, which is smaller to its regular tires. This is partial shelf. These are accessories. Now let's move towards on its interior. First of all, you get dual tone interior, the black door handles, the bottle holder, the speaker. These are adjustable seats, the controls of ORVM and headlights. Here is the fuse box, the ABC pedals. These are the levers to open the trunk and fuel lid. Here is the day and night manual IRVM. Let's start the vehicle. This is a power steering. You get only a single airbag, the horn, the controls of infotainment system, the controls of wiper. Here are the controls of turn signals and headlights, the AC vent, the instrument console. You get digital tachometer, electronic multi-trip meter. This is 7-inch display. This is control of hazardous light. These are the controls of fan, the control of AC. You also get a heater in this car, the 12 volt charging point, the USB point. This is 5-speed manual transmission, the controls of power windows, the handbrake, some space to put your stuff, the glove box, now let's move towards on its rear seats. Here is the control of rear window, the speaker. The rear seat is very comfortable. In front and in rear, you get fixed headrest. The legroom is also very good. The under thigh support is also very good. Here is the light, the 2 sun visors in front, the speaker, the AC vent, the handles. The car is very compact and practical from its interior also. Now let's open its front hood. This is MPI fuel supply system. This is a front wheel drive vehicle. Now let's talk about of its safety features. In this you get ABS, EBD, child safety lock, seat belt warning, speed alert, and etc. So if you like this today's vlog, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.